Hey everyone, welcome to a new YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you VEO3, which is Google's new video generator tool. Now, the screen that you're seeing here, these are videos created by VEO2, so not VEO3. And I'll actually be creating VEO3 videos live. In fact, I'm actually going to be doing a comparison between VEO2 and VEO3 videos so you could see how well this kind of stuff has adapted. It seems like in the last 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks, maybe in the last 4 weeks, this emergence, this publication of various different video generators, from Midjourney Video that literally just came out to Google's tools. I'm using Flow currently to create them. You have, what else do you have? I mean, you have Kling AI. You have so many different video generators now. Even Leonardo has used API and added video generation to their system. Obviously, it's not as good as some of these, but still, it's this very, very quick advancement in video. And I said this before, but don't be surprised in 2 years from now, a year and a half from now, people are able to create Hollywood-level films through these video generators. I mean, if you look at this, every industry is completely screwed. Really think about it. Customer service, play here, and you can basically see, I'll read you the prompt after, but you could see some natural errors. Now, overall, the infrastructure of this video is phenomenal. If you look at this prompt, the prompt was construction workers working on bricklaying, brick building a wall for a house. Construction workers dress in a t-shirt and jeans and a hard hat. In every single one of these videos, you have exactly what I asked for. I asked for the bricks. I asked for the t-shirt, the jeans, the hard hat. You could see walls being set up for a house. You could even see scaffolding. Or maybe not scaffolding, but you see the rebar. You see the you see some wood like for framing and stuff. That's pretty amazing. Like, very, very amazing. Now, once again, this is VEO2, so this is old technology. Probably like, what, a year old? 8 months old? Something like that. And this is why I'm saying you're going to see how quick things have improved. Now, I was trying to get some ideas of like what videos to create with VEO3. Let me show you the other video here. And so I went on my Midjourney account. And I created some images on Midjourney. And one of the images I created, I'll put up on the screen now, which is just a video or a picture of this huge glowing marble in the middle of a room. And I thought, what if I brought something like this to life in video form? So I went on to VEO3, or VEO2 in this case, and I realized that VEO3 doesn't actually take photos to create images. So for anybody who's curious, when you create images with VEO2, you can sit here and type a prompt. Like, for example, if I type in a huge castle, right? A huge castle filmed on a drone, okay? And we're going to type in greenery, we're going to type in French, and I'm going to type in chateau as well, actually. I don't know if I spelled that right. Oh well, it is what it is. French chateau, filmed on a drone. What else can I add? Horses in the courtyard. Okay, how about that? I think that would be amazing. I'm going to go ahead and switch this to VEO3. So I'm going to go over here and go to settings, and I'm going to click on VEO3, text to video. I don't really care about audio too much. Actually, let's go with quality. Why not? But actually, hell no, I'm not going with quality. Sorry, forgive me. 100 credits? Yeah, I'm not going to do 100 credits. Let's stick to the fast mode. Sorry. 100 credits, I think, would like wipe out. Screw it. You know what? This is for YouTube. Why not? Let's go ahead and submit here. This is once again VEO3, but the point is the infrastructure is good on VEO2. Everything works well on VEO2. You look at this and honestly, it's impressive. Now, are there issues with VEO2? Yeah. Like, if you look at, for example, this video, okay? The guy is not even holding the brick properly. Like, this is supposed to be like a heavy brick. He's not holding it properly. It's almost like magic in his hands, which, you know, small fixes could make a huge difference. Now, I want to actually, while this is loading, because you can see here how long it takes, much, much faster than Kling AI, and you guys can see I've been doing my homework, I've been testing different tools, because, you know, more stuff for the stock photography type business, which huge profits in video for stock photography. But if we go over here to some of the other creations that I've created, let's go ahead and see here. I know I've created other videos, so I got to take a look here. So this was an image I uploaded from Midjourney. This is for VEO2, not VEO3. So I'm showing you everything, okay? And VEO3, for those who are curious, doesn't actually take images. You can't use an image for the creation, at least not that I know of, using Flow. Of course, in the future, they'll add that, you know, if they haven't already. But once again, this is VEO2 technology, not VEO3, okay, or VEO. I know some people are going to go crazy in the comments, hey, you said the word wrong, but who cares, you know? The only thing that matters is how much money I make. Well, let's be honest, you know, I'm doing okay. But anyways, pretty amazing video, honestly. There's not really anything negative I could say for, once again, level 2 technology. We're going to see what level 3 does in just a second. But let's go back here. Let's see some of the other videos I created. This right here, this video was the first video I ever created with VEO2, where, as you could see, I provided a image, the first frame, and then it created it, which is really, I mean, it's really good. Obviously, the graphics are not where they need to be. The quality is not where it needs to be, but it's good. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this VEO3 video. This... Yep, that's insane. If you're going to sit here and tell me we're not going to be able to make Hollywood-style films 2 years from now, a year and a half from now, I mean, I don't know what to tell you, because I think we do. This is a machine that made this video, guys. This is a machine that made this video. If you're out here in the business world and you have something that could potentially be replaced by AI, you should be scared, shaking in your boots right now. You should be really, really scared. And the whole world should be scared, to be honest, because if this is what they could do with technology, what happens when the robots come to life and they come for us? They're going to be able to take all of us. So this is a VEO2 video. I'll show you this. This was pretty cool. Once again, I provided it an image. So let's click on this. And VEO2 didn't have any audio, but hey, it's still pretty amazing, right? I was trying to go for the Game of Thrones look here, but you guys know Snow, I think. What was it? Ghost. His name is Ghost, the wolf from Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones was such an epic series. But anyways, I mean, look at this. This was VEO2. Okay, you guys just saw VEO3 technology once again, so it was better. But let's go ahead and do a comparison now of VEO2 versus VEO3. So I'm going to go to that original construction video that you guys saw, and we're going to recreate it right now with VEO3. Okay? By the way, you saw this video right here? You're going to see this video in one of my new edits in the future videos. So yeah, guys, I'm learning how to edit videos now. I'm getting prepared a little bit early so that when you know, the technology really starts to come in, I'll be able to start editing, and who knows, make my own type of films online on YouTube. I love YouTube. I love creating videos, and I think that's what I want to do here in the future. Just create more content, because number one, it's fun, and number two, you know, it's a sign of the times. Things are changing. So anyways, let's go ahead and create a VEO3 video. Let's go to settings here, and let's go to text to video. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in construction workers working on, or I would say building a brick house. Okay, and in this case, I'm not going to type in aircrete, because if you guys saw, I don't want to be specific, you know, I'm not trying to get all construction on you guys, but if you guys saw that other video that I just showed about those construction guys building the house, they were using aircrete blocks, which is basically like this type of foam mixed with concrete, which makes a lighter insulated type of brick material. I don't think the AI is going to understand what aircrete is, so I'm just going to type in a white brick house, a white brick or white block house, let's say, because that's a little bit easier. And then I'll type in construction workers are wearing jeans, t-shirt, and hard hats. Okay, just like that. And I'll hit submit. And we'll wait for that to kind of do its thing. So, once again, I'll just pause this screen until we actually see the video, and we'll compare it to the original. Guys, so it's loading, as you can see. I think this is going to turn out well. Let's go ahead and see. It's still a little bit loading, like it's almost done, and I'm really excited to see how it looks. But guys, it's ready. It's ready. Let's go ahead and click play here.
All right, that block's looking good.
Yep, perfectly level. Hand me another one, will you?
But that's pretty insane. Okay, that's literally insane. That we can have audio, we can have video. Imagine what VEO6 is going to be like. Not VEO4, not VEO5, not VEO6. Or VEO6. Now, guys, once again, there's different video generators out there. This isn't the only one. One of the drawbacks or one of the negatives, I would say, is they have their little VEO logo on the corner here. Now, there are ways to get it out, but it's still not perfect. It still doesn't look ideal, in my opinion. But at the same time, these are huge advancements in technology. Instead of sitting back and being enamored by the technology, you need to form a game plan on what to do next. In the link in the description, I created a brand new members area, costs $9.99, everybody can join, and we have a true community over there. We're going to do live streaming, we have video course lessons in there, we have chats, forums, different kinds of applications in there that could help you. And if you want to take your income to the next level and learn new ways to make money online that hopefully are going to help you withstand the AI revolution, it's time to go ahead and join that members area. I priced it specifically at $9.99 so that everybody can join and that it doesn't outprice anybody, all right? So if you want to have questions on making money, if you have anything you need, click the link in the description, ask the questions there, private message me, all that kind of stuff. And for all the people who already are members, we have our first live stream scheduled soon. It's going to be in July. July 1st is going to be the live stream. I'm not going to get off of that live stream until I answer all your questions, all right? And I'm making also posts there, so there's a lot of different content over there. If you want to go ahead and check that out, once again, I'll leave the link in the description. If not, I totally understand. I'll keep posting more amazing videos. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.
Просыпаешься в мире снов, все решено, не нужно слов. Дом аренда, жизнь кредит. Ты счастлив, система говорит. Ты ничего не имеешь и счастлив. Это не сон, а новый стиль. Мир по дизайну.
That was a close call today, eh, lads?
Все под контролем, живи, молчи.
And good food.
Цифры решают, что ты съешь.